Oh, hi there, earthlings! How are you all doing? So today, I'm back in Scotland. I've been following Mari from Scotland's mountains for a while now, and in one of his videos, he went to a secret beach. I am gonna try and find this beach and do a wild camp there. So fingers crossed I don't get lost. Thank you for joining me again today. Stay tuned in and hopefully join me for some tea, maybe a little bit of alcohol, definitely some food. Maybe I could go for a dip as well. I'll bring you back later on.
On bended knee is no way to be free, lifting up an empty cup I excellently. All my destinations will accept the one that's me, so I can breathe. Everyone I come across in cages they bow. They think of me and my wandering, but I'm never what they thought. I've got my indignation, but I'm pure in all my thoughts. I'm alive. Wind in my hair, I feel part of everything. Underneath my being is a road that is me. Late at night I hear the trees that are singing with me overhead. Leave it to me as I find a way to be. Send me as a satellite forever orbiting. I do all the rules, but the rules are not guaranteed.
Malibu cola with coconut and cola flavor, sparkling mixed drink with Caribbean rum. That's a mouthful. 5% alcohol. I wanted pina colada, but they didn't have it. So, yeah. Cheers, Marias. So I came from there. There's two white buildings there. There was a road, and I turned to the right. It was flat to begin with, and then I had to do some incline starting from the stream. I don't know anymore. It's quite nice. Beautiful day. Is that it? I can't see any beach. No. Am I lost? Never. It looks nice, but that's not where I'm going. Wow. Look. There it is. There it is. Oh, look. I'm actually chuffed. I'm quite happy. I was starting to be miserable because it's quite steep. It got steep very quickly. But there you go. It pays, it pays. This is what we do it for. I'm going to get closer and find a place to pitch. And then if I'm feeling a bit warm, I'm gonna go for a dip and some food. Right, ladies and gentlemen, do not do this. 15. Oh dear, oh dear. Hopefully it will dry by the morning. Otherwise I'll be hiking back with wet shoes. What I like.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ooh, don't worry. Ooh, be happy. Ooh, don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came to your bed. Don't worry, be happy. Landlord said your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry, be happy. Look at me, I'm happy.
Here's my afternoon tea ready. Afternoon tea with a view. Look at that. Wow. So, Mark from xxxx commented on one of my posts on Instagram where I posted like an afternoon tea in bed, and he mentioned about doing it in the wild or something like that. So there you go, Mark. Challenge accepted. It doesn't look as fancy, but that's the best I can do. I hope this met your expectation. This beach is Gucci. It's really nice, and I've got it all to myself. Slanjava. Isn't a brew always better with a view? Oh yes. That's it. I'm pretty much all set up. Let me show you my sleep system for tonight. So for tonight I've decided to use my Helium 250 mountain equipment sleeping bag. It's quite cold this evening, but I think with the Helleberg it's gonna be alright. Plus I have my Thermolite sleeping liner from City Summit that will add to the warmth. I've got my Trichology pillow, which I'm going to wrap in this buff, and my City Summit Everlight XD sleeping mat. When I set up, I normally keep them, all of the pouches or dry sacks or bags, in one bag. These are all for my sleep system, so that in the morning when I pack up, I'll just grab this one and everything will be in there. It's just easier for me to get organized. So yeah, that's my sleep system for tonight. We'll find out whether it's warm enough. I've got my wet stuff lying there to dry for the night. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna have lamb tagine, even though it's not cooked in a tagine. So I'm gonna use my Tranja 27, some couscous. try it then. That's really good. That's nice. This is the Cascade Wild table. I just flip it upside down. It stops it from sliding, prevents any accidents. So even when I decide to eat in bed or in the tent, if it's too cold or it's raining, I am so clumsy, so it's not impossible for me to spill things. So yeah, Cascade Wild camping table. Quite good, multi-purpose. Can you spot the tent? I don't think it's hard to miss. What a beautiful hidden beach. I wouldn't have heard of this if I wasn't subscribed to Mari's channel. Scotland's mountains. Thanks, Mari, for the inspiration. It's another brilliant channel to follow because you can get a lot of inspiration. It does really nice hikes and wild camps in the most amazing locations, so go check him out.
When the last light warms the rocks and rattlesnakes unfold, mountain cats will come to drag away your bones and rise with me forever across the silent sand, and the stars will be your eyes and the wind will be my hands.
Yo, I'm all tucked in now. It's been a long day. I can hear the birds. Are they birds? Who knows? Could be aliens. Ooh. Alright, earthlings. I'm gonna say goodnight now. I'll see you in the morning. Night night. Good morning. The sunrise is not here yet.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. And here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Breakfast time. About to make breakfast. See, I also do this with this table. I just flip it upside down and put my stuff in it in a bit more neat and organized way, so then I can just stack them away without stuff going everywhere. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm all packed up, I'm ready to go. It was a nice wild camp. I had the beach all to myself, and it was a bit cold last night, but that's probably down to the sleeping bag that I chose to bring. But I only had one for winter and two for summer. So yeah, that's my bag, all packed. It's my rubbish because, you know, as always, leave no trace. Thank you guys for joining me again on this fun-sized adventure here at a lovely hidden beach. You guys take care, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.